Yo, back working over there. Working on them cubicles.
Yeah, I need to take these mugs off.
She's working on the cubicles. Duty back there with the duty man bun. Man, we about to
turn left into the parking lot.
About to pull up at the painting with a twist, man. Soon as this lady get out of my way. Why she wanna come the same way I'm coming? See, folks always hating on me. They wanna come the same way I be coming. I don't understand it. I ain't figured that out yet.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
And then she just in the way. Like, lady, get out the way. If I write your tag number down, I ain't even know ladies what that is. But yeah, man, we finna pull up. I think I don't know where we hit. Yes, I do. That's the Target on there. Okay, I see it down there. All right, man. Let me what?
Alright. You ready?
Gonna go up in here and paint, man. You grab my hand. Which way y'all going?
I don't know. Walked on fast.
Who?
Yeah, that's why I grabbed his hand. He can get come on, let's get out the way. What is that, Jaguar?
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what that
Come on, cause they coming this way.
Run. Let's run.
Go, run. All right, you gonna pull grandma down?
I know. We be lying over in them bushes, boy.
Man, we up here painting with a twist. So I ain't gonna record. Oh, I ain't gonna record right now. I'm finna walk in. Let me get on up in here before they cuss me out. Pigtails and crew cuts, y'all see it? Yeah, man, so as a part of Brianna's birthday gift, I was gonna give her a phone back, man, because, you know, I done had her phone since August, September. I had her phone since August, September, man. She said, hey, man, you gotta act right.
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta act right. You know what I'm saying? Like, I give you whatever you want, man, but you gotta act right. So she wasn't acting right. So I took her phone. So now I'm finna activate it.
They slow.
Finna activate it, man, and big lip stuff.
Mine. Big better.
Look,
Feeling better.
look. Big little bitty balls of hen right there.
Ooh.
A lot of them. Like doing a hen dance. What's her whole face?
Let's go.
So what I gotta do now, I got to go and buy her another SIM card, man. She need a new SIM card for the phone. She ain't had her phone so long, the SIM card done rotted. Got to be more careful. But yeah, so better run up in this what's the car, baby?
The Tarjay.
Tarjay. We better run up in Tarjay, man, and see if we can find a memory card. I mean a SIM card to put on her phone. If not, then we gotta go to Walmart. And yeah,
We can't do that right now.
Can't do that right now.
But it's gonna get done.
But it's gonna get done. Just not today. Well, maybe today. Maybe today. Just not this instant.
Just not this.
Tarjay was right here, so we just walked down here. Yeah. So let's walk up in here, man, see what we got. See what we got.
Mr. What?
Mr. Ain't it, man?
Man.
You dig what I'm saying?
Ain't it?
Man, ain't it? Alright, y'all gotta talk fast, man, because the copyright on. But, yeah, they didn't have one in Tarjay, so I'm gonna have to go to Walmart. So, yeah. We'll do that later, though. We'll do it later today. When we leave here, we'll just shoot to Walmart, grab it right quick, and then I guess shoot it to her, whatever. They'll probably still be out, so I ain't gonna leave the party to go and get a SIM card and then come back. So we'll do that and then get her a phone, man. See the reaction on that or whatever, and then we'll just go from there. She might not get it to tomorrow now. Now that I think about it. But yeah, let's get out of here. Yeah, y'all get up there. And where's Jordan? Come on, Jordan. Jordan, you still playing good? Why you still been done? Who got me late? You were driving, not me. These four argue about here. The man said she was driving. That's why they late. Jordan said, I ain't done. Doggone it.
Right.
Who still playing? Who up there on the top of the stage still playing?
Oh.
She playing with her fingers. You know. Took some paint off the plate. Put it on my finger.
That's how you do this art.
Yeah.
Tamaya had her face.
Cashapp.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I missed one. Yeah. Come on, brother. Go on up there.
Hey,
The man said,
bro. Hey,
the man said, my shoes still in the box.
my shoes in the floor.
My shoes in the box. You know what I'm about? Hey, man. Hey, artistic expression, brother. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Yeah. I said, yeah, y'all showing y'all shoes. Mine exclusive, Jack. Yeah.
Y'all ready again? We're gonna take another one. 1, 2.
Bree, you know that shoe back there.
All right, good. All right, thank you.